So this is the schools module, and it's located at this /district/schools. And this actually just lists all the different schools on your account here, um, as well as all the contact information for them. Now on the home page, here is the school list widget, and it's right here, this school list here. And it just does the same exact thing. It just lists all the different schools on your account. Now, you might be wondering how these are actually categorized. And these are actually categorized over in the site configuration and the school manager. So all these different categories here, let me pull these up. So there's district, pre-K, preschool, K through 8, elementary, middle, junior high, high school, opportunity, college, alternative education, and vocational. So all the different categories of schools. If it's not exactly junior high, but it's considered middle, you can just drag and drop these anywhere, and it'll actually change this junior high schools to middle schools. Let me go ahead and save this, and I'll refresh. Now it says middle schools there. So these categories actually come from the school manager. That's just about the only thing the school manager is used for. And that's exactly how the schools module works.